Stuff.
Okay, hello guys, today I'm making these three things. They're people and they've got like super cool icicles on the back. They've been upgraded for some reason. I don't know why. But they got like the super pound and they got upgraded, the icicles. So let's break them apart and see how we can make them again. First we're starting with the fire and electric one. We're going to make this first. So I'm going to show you what it looks like if we build it. I'm going to break it and then we're going to build it again. Now I'm just taking the arms off, the legs. Now these. Now that. Now this. That, this one, this bit, now that. Right, now we're going to start building. So let's start with the head. Right, now we need this bit. Now we need this bit. Right, now we're going to put like this core in the middle that keeps it alive, so we can draw knees on. Right, so it kind of looks like a loot box with a head. It's not. Right, so now we're going to put arms and legs on. Just want to see if this is an arm. Yes it is. Is this an arm? I don't know. Is this one? Yes it is. Right, these two are legs. Just going to put them on this. Right, that's how you put them in the middle. It has like a hole in the middle and you can do that. Right, now we're on to the icicle bit. So we're going to start with this. Right, now we put that on top. Now we put that in the middle. Right, now for the last bit, you put the icicle on. There we go. And this is what it looks like if we build it again. Just to show you.
And Justin, what's the difference between that one, and that one?
Well, they're all different because they do look the same. They're different colour and they have different powers. This one's fire electric, that one's so nice, and that one's toxic in grass. So let's start. Now let's see how we can build that one in a different mode. So we're going to build this one in eel mode now, because this has got an eel mode. Actually, which one do you want to see first? You want to see the baby robot one or the eel one? Which one should I do?
You decide. Let's do the robot.
Well, the baby robot one's easy. I'm going to have to take a few bits off. Oopsie, I need to keep those two together. Now I take this off and that. Right, I'm going to be needing this, those, and this. Yeah, I need that. That's important. This and that. That's not all. We just need two more things. We need these and this. Actually, we don't need these two. Right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to start building this. We need to put that there. The baby robot's actually quite easy, so don't get too cocky that you're going to build this easily. Well, it is easy, but just don't get too cocky. That's too easy. Okay? I know this will look like weird to build, but when you look at it completely when it's finished, it'll be cute. Right, we're just adding the head now, and then it'll look like really cute. Here we go, the like a robot baby one. If you like put this at the light, you can like see through that blue bit there, can't you? Right, just look at this again. Dun, 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 dun. Looks like it's wearing a jacket. Right, let's put it back to its normal one. So, right, we're going to put it into eel, and then we're going to show you how to, and then we're going to show you how to put it back into normal after we show eel. Right, we're going to have to like break, right, well, nearly everything up. Oopsie, sorry. Right, I'm going to be building the eel mode now, so don't get too cocky. This is actually quite hard, so just look at me carefully if you want to build this. We need like 4 of these. Yeah, 4 of them, that's good. Ooh, I'm going off to an easy start, and it'll get harder when it's, and it'll look like really hard when it's like completely built. So just keep your eyes on this. Right, I know it's easy to build. It looks pretty hard when it's built. Now, oopsie, you need to do this. Yeah, we put these 2 here to only cover a little bit here. So covering those sides there. There's 2 sides so you can see. And now we do that. So this is an ice and snow eel. So if it goes underwater and like any animal they try to eat it, we'll just use its ice power like that, and then it'll freeze all the water, and then it won't get cold. So yeah, this is eel mode for the ice and snow. Right, now we're just going to put it back into normal mode. I'm going to keep that like that. So we're just going to, oh no, we take that bit off. We'll use these 2 on. And take this off, put that there. Doesn't matter what side the icicle's on. So that's okay. Right, what we got to do now, we put the core in, that makes it alive. That's done. Now we put the sides on so they can like not take the core out. Well, if they see the core, they can just do it. But it doesn't really matter. Right, we're just going to put the lights back on. Right, same with the final electric. Put the lights on by the hole. And here we go. Right, I'm sorry guys. I said I would do the toxic one, but but I don't want to do it today. I'm sorry. I said that I would, but I'm not going to, okay? Right, I'm really sorry. Alright, in my next video, I'm going to be breaking this and doing this again. This is like its tail, it can use it as a digger, see? Dig, throw, dig, throw. Right, I like it, and you better not mix this with yellow, because there's not a yellow one of that. I've only got 1 yellow one of this. So, right, if you like this, go down to the comments below and go. Right, do that. And my video is gonna pop up on my dad's channel. So do this. Right, here's my daddy here. Right back, Micah, see. And always like and subscribe. Bye guys. Whee!